Would you like to make more money from your existing property so you can build a new house? Quite simply, there are 7 suburbs in Christchurch where the land is worth more than the house. Now, why is this? There's a land shortage here in Christchurch, and council planning rules dictate that certain areas have increased intensification. Hi, my name's Rob Colier from We Buy Homes, and we create win-win transactions from people that we buy from. Now imagine you've got extra money for your house. What would you do with that extra money? Would you build a new house or upgrade your house? The choice is yours. To find out to see if your house qualifies, click on the link on the right and answer a couple of simple questions. Let me give you a couple of examples of people who've realised more value in their property. Jackie and Simon, they decided to build a brand new house, and Tom and Heather, they decided to upgrade the size of their property because of their growing family. To see if your house is worth more than you think it's worth, click on the link on the right. This could be the last time you see this video. Make sure you don't miss out. Fill out a couple of simple questions, and we'll see you on the other side.